Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. Are you looking for some new dishcloths? Because I have finally found a great set from Homaxy. I have had such a struggle finding good absorbent dishcloths, and these finally worked for me. Absorbency, is that not the key to a good dishcloth? I love how these dry our dishes. We are without a dishwasher at the moment, so we have to do a lot of hand drying, and these will last for a while, which is great. And the waffle weave is really nice. They have a nice soft feel to them. They also have this little hook here. So if you use hooks in your kitchen, that can be a great feature. It feels nice and solid. The pack comes with 6, so far I've always had enough. Even if it's been a little while before I've had a chance to get the laundry done, I haven't run out yet, which I really love. And one other thing that I really appreciate is the dark gray color. I've tried a bunch of different colors in dishcloths and I haven't had any problems with staining with these yet, so that's been great. Love these dishcloths, and that's my point of view.